Hi, I'm Roger Duffy. Please join me for a tour and walk around of this beautiful 2020 Sea Ray SLX 350. The first thing I'd love to point out to you is the beautiful side profile. We've got this in the Sea Ray blue with a red boot stripe and a two-tone hull color. Notice the hard top. This boat's equipped with radar. It's really beautiful. Let's walk up and look at the swim platform and cockpit. If I was going to name 5 things that I really love about this boat, the first one would be the hydraulic swim platform. This can drop down about 2 feet underwater, so it's a great thing to sit on. Makes getting in and out of the boat without a ladder very easy, and just gives this boat the big boat feel with easy lake access. Second thing I really love about this boat is this unique transom seating. Just open that up, drop this down, and this can come out on both sides, giving you a great place to sit, watch people swim, or just enjoy the day. Walking into the cockpit, I'm blown away by how much seating there is here. It's good seating that's opposing, it's on both sides. And we come up on one of my other favorite features of this boat. This has the retractable awning. This sunshade comes back about this far right here and gives you great shade, which everybody knows in Texas we need our shade. This boat's equipped with a cockpit refrigerator and a cockpit grill. Makes entertaining really easy, a lot of fun. We also have the upgraded stereo system in this boat. You can see the subwoofer and the high-powered speakers, the Fusion speakers here in the cockpit. Check out the glass dash here. This uses Simrad electronics. Nobody else in terms of our competition has anything that looks this sophisticated. Moving up to the bow area, it's got very comfortable seating, and you can see it has 2 separate tables that go up here, and you can see the 2 positions. It can drop down and have another cushion on here for a full lounging effect, or it can be up this way to have opposing places to sit at a table. Sorry. Also new for this model boat, as part of the redesign that was recently done, it's got a little small sleeper berth that is air conditioned down here that allows kids or adults to take a nap or even overnight if you wanted to, but it's mainly meant as an air-conditioned place to take a nap. And then that means that the head on this boat has been located on this side. You have a vacuum flush head, just like the much bigger boats. So again, if I was going to point out my top 5 things that I love about this boat, outside of the looks of it, because it is one of the most beautiful boats you'll ever see on the water, the things that I really think are amazing on this boat are the hydraulic swim platform, the transom seating, the cockpit grill, the retractable sunshade, the glass dash, and the bow tables. I hope you find these walkthroughs to be helpful. If you need any additional information, please call me, Roger Duffy, at 512-750-8169. We'll see you on the water.